So I'll be showing us how to create this double bow at the front of my head wrap. It is easy to achieve. You just stay around and watch till the end. I have once used Ankara material to create it, but let's try it using 3 layers Ashoki material. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold up the 3 layers like this, fold it into 3 parts like this, closed up, and make it straight down like this. Now we're going to merge it together to be in division of 50-50 equal parts like this. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to get elastic band and fold up a bit like this as the first one. Then where that my hand is, I'm going to replace it using elastic band. So if you have a bigger material, you can make that first one bigger than that, but the next one you're going to be making is going to be more bigger than the first one. So take note. So that's the first one, and I'm trying to create the second one, which must be bigger than the first one. If you can see from the look, you can see that this second one I'm folding is way bigger than the first one. So I'll repeat the same process there. Use the band to secure. So I have this and this, and the one down is the third one, which I'll be using to knot. Now I'll go back to the second one I made, dip my hand into it like this, and press it down. Press it down, arrange it properly. So I'll repeat the same process to the first one, which is the smaller one. Dip my hand in, press down like this. So take your time and be careful. So make sure the edges are out because we need them out. So use your hand to divide the bolts down like this. Press it down. Now we are going to replace my hand with band. As I said, when you want to tie this, you need your band and an office pin, so you get them ready. So I already replaced my hand with an elastic band. So I'll be showing you what it's gonna be looking like now. See, that's how it's going to be looking like. So if you have like color of the fabric that really matches the fabric, you can leave it like this. Now take that one, the last one on the head, stretch it out and use it to pack your head and knots. If you want to cover up your head like at the middle, that means you're going to stretch those excess out. So I'll come to this place and adjust it. You see I use office pin to secure one side just to make it look firm on my head. Then I added my brooch. If you have any flowery material, you can add, and it's going to come out like this. You can cover your hair if you want to. That means you're going to stretch out the excess instead of taking it to the back and not straight. Then I push to the center if you want it to fall at the center, sideways, anywhere. So this is how to create your double bow at the front of your head wrap. Thanks for always watching, guys. I really appreciate you. Thanks for sharing and liking and dropping your comments. So I'll be stopping here now. Till then, remain blessed.